Today I've got a cool product to install, the zAutomotive Inactive Exhaust. This tiny electronic solution allows you to bypass your active exhaust modules, keeping your factory exhaust in the full open position, or eliminating it completely when doing a catback exhaust upgrade. And just by simply plugging it in, it prevents those annoying check engine lights. Since today's install doesn't require a lot of instruction, I'm going to save time and talk over the install. The install is simple. Jack up the car, put jack stands on it so you're safe, crawl underneath, unplug the active exhaust, plug in the inactive exhaust module, plug in the blank, zip tie them up out of the way, and put the protective dust caps on. You'll see that I've got white ones here that I 3D printed. It's one of the things I identified when I first put the set together, that there was no dust caps to protect the expensive actuators. I contacted zAutomotive and now they're shipping these awesome rubber-coated sealed dust caps with every set. For those of you who want to watch the full install in real time, you can watch along while I explain over the top what the zAutomotive Inactive Exhaust is and what it does. So those of you who are looking for an active exhaust solution already know what an active exhaust is. And we all know if we pull the fuse or we unplug it, it eventually throws a code. Some of you guys get excited when you unplug it and go for a drive and don't throw a code. You think everything's great, but in reality, it's running tests for 20 minutes. And it's trying to complete a cycle for that full 20-minute period. And once it fails for a full 20 minutes, it throws a code, which when you shut the car off and then turn the car back on again, lights the check engine light. So the inactive exhaust comes in handy for a couple different scenarios. The first is when you want to just force your active exhaust to stay open, or there's a problem with your active exhaust and you don't feel like paying to fix it. The install is super simple. There's 4 parts. There's one module, one blank, and 2 caps. The module with the circuit board, you can actually plug in either one of the harnesses and it'll communicate across the bus on behalf of both actuators. The other one is a dust cover for the other cable, and then the 2 caps go on to protect your expensive active exhaust actuators. Install option number 2 is for when you do a catback exhaust and you have to remove your actuators. You have a couple options there. The first thing you could do is you could pay for an unlock PCM, a tuner, and a tune to tune out the check engine light. Another option is you can run a remote line for these and put a hardware actuator in your trunk. Or the third, more simple option is to just install the zAutomotive Inactive Exhaust and zip tie this up out of the way. And last but not least, if you're keeping your actuators in place like we are here, install the included plugs to protect those expensive actuator motors. As I said earlier, just ignore the white cap here that we 3D printed. zAutomotive is now including them in each set. So we did this install 2 months ago on my buddy's car. And we did it on his car because he was experiencing an issue where while he was driving he had a really annoying rattle, except when he was in track mode. And as you guys know, with a Hellcat in track mode, the active exhaust is open all the time. So we assumed by installing the zAutomotive Inactive Exhaust, this should fix his problem. Well now, 2 months later, he hasn't had a single rattle and he hasn't thrown a check engine light. So I'm happy to report this is a success, and hey, it's a work, play, drive approved product. We have a lot of zAutomotive stuff out there. And just so you know too, this is a standalone product. It does not require the zAutomotive taser to operate. You can simply jack up your car, crawl under, plug it in, and you are done. Anyway, I hope this video is informational. Just a couple minutes long, nice and quick and to the point. If you guys enjoyed it, please gently press that like button. If you're stopping by for the first time, check out some of my other content. Consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching.